The fourth round is called fastest finger first. You see a switch and a bulb in front of you? That's the buzzer. You can just try it on once. Right. So in this round, be very careful with the buzzers. 30 points for each correct answer. Okay, focus here, focus. Boys, focus, focus. Alright. So 30 points for correct answer, minus 15 for wrong answer. No other round has a minus marking, but this round has minus marking. There's also passing, which goes on to the next table for 10 points, and the team pressing the buzzer goes first. Okay? So this is not a table question, this is an open question. Whoever presses the buzzer first gets the chance to answer. And again, I repeat again, the quiz master's decision is final. Okay? So this is like umpiring, LBW, non-LBW, and alright, sir. First question. In Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book, what kind of animal is Bagheera? Blue House, go first.
Black Panther.
Black Panther is the right answer. How many points? 30. 30 points to Blue House. In The Jungle Book, Bagheera is the Black Panther, written by Rudyard Kipling. Alright, next question. Name the longest, not the highest mountain range in the world. Greenhouse went first.
Himalayas.
Minus 15 for Greenhouse. The question passes to the longest, not the highest mountain range in the world. Himalayas are the highest, which is the longest. Okay, passes to yellow. Passes to red. Open to the audience. The longest mountain range in the world. Nobody in the audience? The Andes is the right answer. The Andes, A-N-D-E-S, is a South American mountain range, which is the longest mountain range in the world. You see that? That's the map of South America, and it goes from top to the bottom. And it covers Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, Chile, and Argentina. Alright, next question. Ready on the buzzers? What is the name of the mobile OS developed by Google? What is the name of the mobile operating system developed by Google? We all use it on our phones. The software that Google designs and is the operating system for phones. Blue House, go first.
Android 1.
Android is the right answer, but not one. But I still give it to you. 30 points for Blue House. Android is the right answer. Android is the OS for mobiles developed by Google. Android Inclusive was founded in California in 2003 by Andy Rubin, Rich Miner, Nick Sears, and Chris White, and in 2005, Google acquired Android Inclusive. So the smartphones that you use, Android is developed by Google. Alright, next question. Who represented India in the first World's Parliament of Religions held in Chicago in 1893? Blue House, against the buzzer.
Swami Vivekananda.
Swami Vivekananda is the right answer. Yellow House had the answer, but they forgot to press the buzzer. That's Swami Vivekananda at the Parliament of Religions in September 1893. He is with Veerchand Gandhi, Anagarik Dharpal, Swami Vivekananda himself in the middle, and G. Bonnet and Nikolai Tesla. Alright, next question. goes first. Biggest island in the world.
Greenland.
Greenland, are you sure?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right answer. 30 points for 2 hours again. Greenland is the biggest island. Alright. Greenland is a part of the kingdom of Denmark. And its people are primarily called Inuit or Eskimos. Alright, next question. What is the chemical symbol of gold? It was Okay, alright, we give it to Red House. AU. AU is the right answer. 30 points for Red House. Order. The chemical symbol of gold is AU from from Latin order. And its atomic number is 79. Alright, next question. Due to the pandemic, the 2020 Summer Olympics was rescheduled to 2021. Where was it supposed to be held?
Japan.
Capital of Japan? Tokyo Olympic is the right answer. 30 points for Greenhouse. The 2020 Summer Olympics, known as Tokyo 2020, was the first time an Olympics has been postponed, and it's going to be held in this year in August. Alright, next question. Who developed the vaccine for anthrax, rabies, and invented pasteurization? Vaccines for anthrax, rabies, and invented pasteurization. Again, the answer is there in the question itself. Who invented pasteurization?
Yes, it is there.
Pasteurization is a method used to treat milk so that it doesn't go bad. Bad. You heat it and then you cool it so it doesn't go bad. It kills the bacteria. No answer? Tick 5, tick 4, tick 3, tick 2, tick 1. Okay, question for the audience.
Louis Pasteur.
Louis Pasteur is the right answer. Louis Pasteur invented pasteurization. He is known as the father of bacteriology. Okay, next question. Her work as a poet earned her the sobriquet Nightingale of India from Mahatma Gandhi. Who is she? Greenhouse.
Sarojini Naidu.
Sarojini Naidu is the right answer. Greenhouse, 20 points. That's Sarojini Naidu, an Indian political activist and poet, and she was appointed the president of Indian National Congress in 1925 and became the governor of United Province and the first female governor. Alright, so 30 points for Greenhouse, noted?
Yes, sir.
Next question. What fruit takes the scientific name Magnifera indica? Who was it?
Blue, sir.
Okay, team blue.
Mango.
Mango? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
There's negative marking.
Yes, sir.
How come you're sure? Mango is the right answer. 30 points for Blue House. Magnifera indica is the scientific name for mango, and the indica there represents India because mango is found predominantly in the Indian subcontinent. Alright, next question. The number 1 followed by 100 zeros is known by what name? Number 1 followed by 100 zeros. 1 followed by 3 zeros is 1000. 1 followed by 100 zeros is known as what? Okay, we are not waiting for anyone to write 100 zeros right now. Tick 5, tick 4, tick 3, tick 2, tick 1. Open to the audience. What is the name for the number which is 1 followed by 100 zeros? Let's repeat the answer, sir. Google. Google is the name for 1 followed by 100 zeros. example, 1 followed by 3 zeros is called 1000, right? 1 followed by 2 zeros is called 100. So 1 followed by 100 zeros is called Google. And Google, the company, took its name from there. Meaning you can search for unlimited amount of things and we will give it to you. Alright, next question. Lowest natural point on planet Earth. Lowest natural point on planet Earth. Two house, go for it.
Mariana Trench.
The Mariana Trench. Can you tell me where it is? In the Pacific Ocean. 30 points for Blue House. Mariana Trench, located in the Western Pacific Ocean, is the deepest point on Earth. If you took Mount Everest and put it upside down, even then it would remain underwater. It's that deep. Alright, next question. Okay, this is for the audience. The Tour de France is one of the most well-known tournaments of which sport? Tour de France. Which sport? This is only for the audience. Nobody? Blue House, you can go, but there's no points.
Lawn tennis.
Cycling, sir? Absolutely not. Cycling is the right answer. Cycling. Cycling. Tour de France is the world's most prestigious cycling competition. Next. Again for the audience, which football club team is known as the Red Devils? Manchester United is the right answer. MUFC, it holds the record for most number of trophy wins by any English football club team. Alright, so at the end of round 4, have we updated the scores? Alright, so we have updated the scores. Okay, I think the internet is not working, so we'll just have Niranjan sir tell out the points to us.
The Blue House, 355.
355 crores.
The Green House, 185. The Red House, 160. And the Yellow House, 75.
Alright. We can unfreeze and move forward.